Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Josie's Point of View, where we focus on human interest stories throughout the Carolinas. If you're viewing for the first time, I'd like to say welcome. It's so glad that you've tuned in. And if you're a returning viewer, it is so nice to have you come back. It's been several weeks since our last post, and like many of you, the entire month of April was spent trying to understand this new phenomenon called COVID-19. We've been trying to keep our level of anxiety under control. We've been experimenting with different types of homemade face masks, and at the same time, trying to follow the safety guidelines provided by state and public health officials. So it's been very stressful. I'm sure you agree. It's been pretty busy month as well. And just trying to get a good grip on this pandemic has been exhausting because just when you believe you understand one aspect of it, the truth has been changing from 1 minute, 1 second to the next. So I don't think I'll ever forget this experience. And as of today in North Carolina, I wanted to kind of show you exactly where we are. We have over 11,000 positive COVID-19 cases, and we have over 413 deaths and approximately 547 patients are currently in the hospital. And by the time you're looking at this video, I'm sure the numbers will be quite different. And even as we deal with COVID-19 and its challenges, it's really time to regain some type of control or try to regain some type of normalcy of our lives. So for me, it's time to go on back and start making videos once again. So our story today comes from Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Take a look at the headline. And it reads, local dog tests positive for COVID-19. I'll provide you with a summary here, and I'll place a link to a few of the full articles in the description box. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Winston. He's our VIP for the moment because health experts from all over the world have been talking about him this week. He belongs to a family in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. It was reported that out of four human family members, the mother, the father, and the teenage son, all tested positive for the virus. The human family members had ties to Duke University, and I believe it was mentioned that the father, due to his job, he had worked with COVID-19 patients. And because of their positive status, all family members were being monitored by Duke University as part of a study here in North Carolina. Well, the mother, her name is Heather. Well, she reported some changes in Winston's behavior. She said he had a mild cough just around the time everyone else was sick, and he was not eating his meals. And for Winston not to eat, that was a big deal. And there was enough concern for her to take him to the vet, and he was tested, and he came back positive for COVID-19. And Winston is believed to be the first dog or the only known dog in the United States to test positive for this virus. So in the United States right now, there's some confusion among researchers, and I think rightfully so. First, we were told no possible transmission to animals from humans. Now we have Winston, who is tested positive. About 2 weeks ago, it was reported that two domestic cats tested positive, and that was from two different families in upstate New York. It was also reported that several tigers at the Bronx Zoo also tested positive. So maybe it's time to re-examine the transmission debate once again. Is it possible for a transmission to occur from animals to humans? Is it possible for us to get COVID-19 from our pets? But the experts are weighing in, and according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, they state that at this time there's no evidence to suggest that companion animals, including pets, can spread COVID-19 or that they may be a source of infection in the United States. But I'm really confused because if the animals can get it from humans, then why can't humans get it from animals? Totally confused. I think this is the truth as we know it today, but as I mentioned, the truth is changing constantly, and I bet you there's more to come on this topic. But in the meantime, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention is recommending social distancing guidelines for pets, the same as you have for humans. If you interact, don't let them interact with other animals or with people that's not in your household. Keep your cat and dogs. Keep your cat indoors. Walk your dogs on a leash. Keep them 6 feet away from other animals and other people. Stay away from overcrowding parks. And if you're taking care of your pet while you're sick, cover your face and wash your hands before and after contact. And please take the time to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself physically. Take care of yourself emotionally as well. Stay safe. Stay home if you can. Remember to follow the social distancing guidelines that are appropriate for your particular area. I know policies vary from one particular state to another, so I'm not dictating anything right now. You follow what's applicable for your particular state. And if you're comfortable wearing masks, by all means, wear a mask. If you're comfortable wearing gloves, that's fine. But just remember that gloves can be a source of added transmission. I want to add, when you're finished with these supplies, don't just throw them on the ground or throw them in the cart at the store. Take them and wrap them up and dispose of them properly. Remember to wash your hands and to wash your hands frequently. Remember the symptoms of COVID-19. And if you're experiencing those symptoms, don't just go to your provider's office. Call your providers in advance, because they have specific guidelines in place that will tell you how and where you need to go to get tested. And that's all I have for you right now. Feel free to like and to share this video, and also leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you haven't done so already, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And if you click on this notification bell right here, you'll be the first to know whenever a new video is uploaded. I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.